Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Baby Ginanka. I am 28 years old. I am single and college level. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn more money to support my family.
Hello, Miss Jean. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir.
Have you worked abroad before?
Yes, I worked before in Hong Kong, Kowloon City.
How long?
2 years and 7 months.
How many members of the family have you served?
6.
How many children and how old the children when you began to work there?
They have 4 children and 8 years old, 6 years old, 4 years old, and newborn baby.
So, do you know how to take care of newborn baby, right?
Yes.
What were your main duties?
Ironing, cleaning, washing, cooking.
Please tell me your way of baby caring and how you get along with the young children.
Play with them, teach them the homework, taking a bath.
Can you sing a children's song?
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb.
What kind of recipe can you cook well?
Chinese food and then Filipino food.
In a Chinese food, like what?
Like steamed fish, fried vegetables.
Can you follow a recipe book?
Yes.
Can you describe your personal character?
Hardworking,
Are you honest?
honest, respectful, and
And how do you perform as a good domestic helper?
I promise to finish my contract and then I follow the rules and regulations of my employer.
Thank you.